So, you have just started playing your freshly installed game, but you aren't getting wanted FPS out of your computer. So you have lowered the settings to get better performance, but the game is still unplayable for your taste. So you decided to upgrade graphics card, but you have never done that before. Don't worry! Hi, I'm Mr. Green and today I will show you how to upgrade graphics card in a desktop computer. Let's get When you are buying graphics card, you should do your own research on performance and comparison between other graphics cards. YouTube is a great resource for that. It is also important that you check if your power supply is capable of powering your new GPU, if it has enough PCI Express power connectors. If you decide to buy graphics card used, you should check if it was used for mining cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum. If it was used for mining, I personally would not buy it, because it was most likely running 24/7 and graphics BIOS are probably modified. Before we begin with the upgrade process, make sure to subscribe for more and smash the like button. First, you should turn off your computer, turn power supply off and open the side panel. Graphics card should be installed in the top PCI Express slot on your motherboard. First, you should disconnect PCI Express power cable from graphics card. Then, you unscrew graphics card from the backside of the computer and then push tiny lever at the end of PCI Express slot down. Graphics card should be now released. Now you should pull it out of the computer. Then you should bring out your new graphics card. To install it, you need to align its PCI Express connector with top PCI Express slot on the motherboard and push that tiny lever down in case you somehow pulled it back up, and you push your new GPU in. Then you should screw it in with the same screws the old one was screwed with. The last thing to do is to put PCI Express power connector in the graphics card. Then turn your power supply back on and start the computer. Now, if you have switched your GPU manufacturer, for example, you had AMD's GPU before and you have now installed Nvidia's, you should uninstall AMD graphic drivers, restart the computer and then install Nvidia's drivers from Nvidia's website. Same goes the other way around. If this video was helpful, then smash the like button. If you have any questions or video suggestions, please comment down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe. See ya in the next video.